So this is an overview of a new feature that will be in my paid tier of Magentix. It is a Google AI Overview monitoring feature. The way it works is you enter a query. I have some saved here. I'll just cut and paste them in. What is the best type of rowing machine? Put that in. And then we'll pretend that I am with NordicTrack. And that my competitor is Concept 2. And I'm going to want to know if my brand appears in anything that comes back from Google. So I add this query. I get, in this paid tier, I get 5 queries. This is the one that I just wrote up. I can now do the check. It should go out and investigate the Google AI overview. It just checked it. It says your brand has been detected in the AI overview. This is the actual Google AI overview that came back. Here are the citations. Here are other queries that I have. Let's try this one. So here is the fix. For my site, Magentix, there's a description, word count, content recommendations. Increase the word count to provide more comprehensive information relevant to target search query. Article schema. Add this schema. Copy the schema, you put that into the page. So this is the fix function.